Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in! The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine features a twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning, which can save time during laundry. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine boasts a foldable design, making it extremely portable and easy to store, ideal for those with limited space. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY machine can handle 12 pounds in the washer and 8 pounds in the spinner, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has a 15L capacity, which is great for delicate items like baby clothes, but may not be suitable for larger items. Price is another significant factor. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is priced at $159, reflecting its larger capacity and twin tub design. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is much more affordable at $59, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a portable solution. In conclusion, both washing machines offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The COSTWAY model is ideal for those who require a more robust machine for small apartments, while the Mini Portable Washing Machine is perfect for travelers or those with limited space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.